In today's presentation, I'll be focusing on the project Sustainable Dwelling and my design for this project. And so, the passive designs that I've utilized in my design are natural lighting through the various glass panels that light can easily enter, overhang shading where there is excess roof so that it can shelter it from sunlight, especially at this point here where light can enter through the few grooves, but at the same time will still be shaded by this overhang. And then there is natural ventilation, as you can see through these openings where air can easily flow through, and since hot air rises, it will exit through the balcony at the back over here. There is also a body of water, as seen over here, where it helps to cool down the building. Extra greenery, as you can see, where there's a grass field where the kids can play, and it also tends to the client's needs, which will be covered later. There is also an opening for rainwater at the top over here, where it can be collected in the pond and can be used as water for the pond. And of course, there's also active designs such as the solar panels, which will be placed on top of the solid area of the roof. And so the concept statement behind my house design. So the house focuses on the concept of being both private and open. The left half of the house is solid, where the rooms are for maximum privacy. The right half is mostly glass, which gives the building an open feeling and is also where the hall and balcony are. The access to the backyard is also located in this half. One half for business and the other half for leisure, an ideal balance for a happy life. The clients are Rohan, who is a pastry chef, Natasha, who is an author, and they both work at home, so it's good to design a house with an office and a larger kitchen for them. The kids are very active, which is why there's a large grass field at the back. The grandparents, although one handicapped, but both still enjoy socializing and like to invite friends over. And so now I'll be covering on my floor plan. As seen over here on my floor plan, this is the place where the car can be easily parked. And so for my design, as mentioned, it is being both solid and open. So here the solid area is where the rooms are. As you can see, the grandparents' room, and then the guest room, and also there's the toilet, and also over here is where the kitchen is. And so at the kitchen is larger and has an open concept so that it can easily tend to the client's needs when they come over. So the hallway is here, and then as you can see, the pond is here, and there's this walking pavement with this backyard and having like these seats over here so that they can have a backyard rest under the shading which covers over this whole area here. So it is easily accessible to the home through this walking pavement and also through this back area here. And thus I have my presentation. Thank you.